everyone, as you can see, we have a Syncwire 40-watt dual Type-C convertible plugs charger in front of us. I've been really happy with Syncwire. I've been using the brand now for a little over a year, and they replaced my other trusty brand, which was Anchor, and I still use Anchor as well, but Syncwire, it's a comparable product at a lower price, at least from what I've seen, except for when, you know, there's deals, but everybody runs deals. And I usually get my Syncwire products through Amazon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a closer look at this Type-C charger. As more and more devices are USB Type-C, I need more options as far as how to charge them. And this is a 40-watt, so you'll be able to charge two devices at once, like your iPhone or your Android device, along with like your Switch, your earphones or whatever, or if you're traveling with a spouse or partner, you know, you'll both be able to charge your phones at the same time. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside the box here. It's a solid box, which is nice. And on the back here, we'll go ahead and get that a little closer. It says, features, convertible plugs provide more charging options for global travel. And that is something that I really like about this, is the fact that it has the international charging ports on here. It's dual 20-watt Type-C ports. It's got built-in chips. So basically what that means is, depending on what the device needs, it can draw more or less power. It's got wide compatibility, obviously. And then it's got this is something that I'm actually really curious to see. It's got the USB-C LED soft light design. So basically at night, it'll be easy to see the actual charging ports. Because that's something that is an issue, I can tell you, when traveling, especially in a hotel room, that you are not used to. So we'll take a closer look at that. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up. All right, so we got our user manual here. We've got international charger 1, international charger 2. And I think that's it in the box here. So go ahead and take this guy out. It's got some weight to it, which is nice. Sometimes, you know, with these international chargers, they're a little flimsy. This is not. This is solid. I really like that. And you got port 1 and port 2 there. You've got the Syncwire logo there. On the bottom, you've got all the information and all the warnings and whatnot over there. So it looks like for US and Canada, that just slides right down. And then if we're doing international, it just slides right in just like that. So that is convenient. So I guess it would be like that. And likewise, it's a good solid connection. So you feel that. I hope you can hear the click. So that is something that's nice too. You've got that solid connection, so you know that that's there. So let's go ahead then, get everything cleaned up, and we'll take a closer look at the user manual here. So what we got here? Looks like I figured it out all on my own here. Nothing to really talk about. So obviously you've got the UK plug, and then the what is this? It's just the standard EU plug as well. So nothing really there to talk about. All right, so we don't need the user manual. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this guy in though. I wish that, the one thing I will say, I wish that these were a little bit further out. They're kind of a pain to get there. And there is it plugged in. Let's go ahead and see if it does light up. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn out the lights. I'll be right back. All right, so turned off all the lights. We've got some ambient light here in the office, but hopefully that you can pick this up. It is not an overly bright light, but in a dark hotel room, these are going to light up nicely. And the nice thing about USB-C is the fact that, you know, you can go either direction. You don't have, it's not like USB-A where you got to go, nope, wrong way, and then try to fit it in there. So this is going to be perfect in a hotel room, being able to see where those lights are and whatnot. Yeah, so that is it. I mean, it's a solid charger. I did some some testing on it just a few moments ago, and it seems to draw the appropriate amount of power as well. So if you're looking for just a Type-C charger, or even if you're going for international charging as well, this might be an option for you. So I'm very happy with this charger so far. I'm looking forward to using it more, and it's definitely got some capacitors in there because it's still lit up. But there you go, the lights are out now. So if you have any questions about the charger, make sure to ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll leave a link to the product down in the description as well. Like I said, they're not that expensive. They're easy to pick up, and as you're trying to replace and more of your older devices, this might be an option. As you can see, got some light coming in here. It looks like someone's setting off my motion detector. Anyways, if you, which I'll leave a link up here for information about how to do that if you're interested. Yeah, so this is the charger. Have any questions, ask down below. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars and Star Wars Black Series, home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, and that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.